What do you want?
Ah! My birthday party's in 10 days, and everyone in the past is gonna be there. Coming, aren't you?
No.
Oh, come on! I don't care if they don't come, but you gotta be there! Maybe because you're my only friend?
You're my only friend, too. Why spare me?
I told you. You're the only friend I have. You should be.
But aren't you worried
I thought you were the spirit girl! I'm the demon pill and I'm braver than you? Don't be such a baby!
I'm a monster.
Your fate's what you want it to be! No one else gets to decide what you are!